Hello, good morning students. Yesterday we completed article the. Today we are going to start with English Bal Bharti lesson number 18. Look before you leap. What do you understand by this name? Name of a topic. What do you understand by the name of a lesson? Look before you leap. Leap means what? Jump from a high distance. Okay? LEAP, leap means what? Jump from a height. You can say jump from a height, or you can say jump from a high distance. उडी मारणे. ओके, उडी मारण्याच्या अगोदर बघून घ्या. राईट. When you jump somewhere, first what we do? We see whether the place is good or not. Or is there any ditch? Okay, is there any stone or what? Wherever you will jump, at that time first we see. And there is a short story of two frogs, how they live in the pond. Pond means what? तळ, correct or not? डबकं पाण्याचं म्हणतो किंवा मग तळ. How they stays in the pond happily. And then when it comes summer season, now in every season we live, yes or no, in rainy season we live our life, in winter season we live our life, in summer season we don't live our what? No. And then same condition, how they lived in all three seasons, that we are going to study in today's lesson. Okay, I will read first paragraph for you. Here it is. Long ago, here it is. Take out your page number 37. Page number 37, lesson number 18. Look before you leap. Long ago, there lived two little frogs in a pretty little pond. छोटं तळ असतं ना. They lived in a pretty little pond. Colorful water lilies grew in the pond. Colorful water lilies. Water lilies are there or not? There are some plants which grows only in water, like a lotus, water lilies. So here it is told that colorful water lilies grow in the pond. Water lilies काय झालेले उगलेले आहेत. Okay. Here it is told that colorful water lilies grew in the pond. Fishes darted about and tiny insects buzzed around. Now here it is told that fishes darted. Fishes darted means what? Darted means fishes darted means move quickly and suddenly. What fishes are doing? Fishes are moving quickly and suddenly from one place to another. What they are doing? They are moving from one place to another suddenly. That is called what? That is called darted. Fishes darted and insects buzz around. Insects buzz around means what? They make some noise. Correct now? At night when you hear insects voice, at that time they make some buzz. So buzz is called what? Buzz is called to make noise. Buzz means what? To make a noise. To make a noise or to make a voice. To make a noise means the noise of the insects is called buzz. Something like this voice comes at night. Frog also draw like that sound comes at night. That is called buzz of insects and flies and what we call more frogs. So fishes darted about and tiny insects buzz around. What do tiny insects do? They buzz around. They keep on making noise here and there. We can hear that voice at night. Here it is told that the pond was full of life. Everyone was living in the pond. Insects were living, reptiles were living, then mammals were living. Correct? All types of animals were living, animals and birds were living in the pond. And so here it is told that long ago there lived two little frogs in the pond. Along with these frogs there were fishes living in the pond, there were insects living in the pond. Correct? And there were many other lives living in the pond. The two frogs were very close friends. They were what? The two frogs were very close friends. They were best friends. They had plenty to eat in the pond. They had lot of insects to eat. Now you know what frog eats. It catches flies, it catches small insects, and with the help of tongue, correct or not? It has one tongue, and that tongue, with the help of that tongue, it is a sticky tongue. With the help of that tongue, it snatches the prey. Prey means what? It snatches the food which it want to eat, and there is plenty of food to eat in the pond. All the day long they played about, jumping from lily pad to lily pad, and from one lily pad means what? There is water lily. Water lilies leaves are like this in the water. When there is water, and what these frogs were doing, they used to jump from one lily pad to another lily pad. Lily pad means what? Floating leaves of water lily. Lily pad means what? Floating leaves of water lily. Floating leaves of water lily means called lily pad. These are lily pads. वॉटर लिली जे असते ना, त्याचे जे मोठे मोठे पानं असतात ना, तर हे फ्रॉक्स काय करायचे? दे यूज टू जम्प फ्रॉम वन लिली पॅड टू अनदर लिली पॅड. All the day long they played about jumping from lily pad to lily pad and diving headlong in the pond. Diving headlong means what? When they will jump in the water, at that time their head will go first in water and then remaining part of the body will go in the water. Understood? That is called what? Dive headlong in the water. Headlong means what? First head will go in water, and then remaining part of the body will go in water. And dive means what? To jump in the water. Correct? And then they used to dive in the water happily. They were the happiest little frogs in the world. They did not care of anybody around them. They used to eat food in the pond. They used to play whole day on lily pads, and as they both were there for each other, correct? Not as they were best friends, they did not need third person, or they did not need any third insect to play with them or third animal to play with them. They enjoyed their life, and they used to think that we are the happiest frogs in the world. Okay, then what happened further? The frogs loved the rainy season, but the rainy season does not last forever. The rains stopped and the weather became hot. Still there was a lot of water and life in the pond. There was nothing to worry about. In winter, the frog friends found cozy little places at the edge of the pond. They spent most of their time sleeping and resting over there. Now here it is told that in rainy season they used to enjoy, they used to get lot of food to eat, they used to enjoy in rain. So in rainy season they did not had any problem. But rainy season last or what forever? No. Rainy season will be only for 4 months. After rainy season comes winter season. So in winter season the rain stops and weather became hot. And then still there was a lot of water in the life of the pond. Yeah, there was lot of water. After rainy season it becomes little hot, and then winter season starts, correct? So water is there in the pond, life is there in the pond, and there was nothing to worry about. They had no other worry. In winter the frog friends found one cozy place. एक मस्त गरम जागा शोधली आणि ते तिथे राहायचे. They used to sleep over there, they used to rest over there, they used to spend most of their time sleeping and resting in the cozy place. Okay, and that cozy place was made where? That cozy place was made at the edges of the pond. Now if this is pond, edges means what? Kinara. Okay, at the edges of the pond they had made what? They had made a cozy place. Cozy place means what? Little warm place to sleep and rest. and they used to stay over there. In which season? In winter season. And then after winter season, which season comes? Summer season. Then what happens in summer season, that we will study in tomorrow's period. Understood? Today what you have to do, you have to write down name of a lesson. You have to write down this 4 words. 4 words and their meanings. You have to write down in notebook and learn. Understood? Remaining part of the lesson we will study in tomorrow's period, and then we will complete question answers of the lesson. Understood? Thank you and have a nice day.